Hey there, little explorers.
Hiya!
Ready to dive deep into the amazing underwater world? Welcome to the wonderful world of ocean creatures. Did you know? Dolphins are super smart. They talk to each other using clicks and whistles. It's like their own special language.
And check this out. An octopus has 3 hearts and can change its color in just seconds to hide from danger. How cool is that?
Sea turtles are amazing travelers too. Some swim thousands of miles across the ocean, guided by Earth's magnetic field, just to find their way home.
Now here's a fun one. Jellyfish don't even have a brain, a heart or bones, but they've been swimming in our oceans for over 500 million years.
And the biggest animal on our entire planet lives in the ocean, the mighty blue whale. It's bigger than a school bus. Actually, bigger than 3 school buses.
Our oceans are full of magical, colorful creatures, from tiny seahorses to giant whales. They all have a special home beneath the waves. So the next time you visit the beach, remember, there's a whole magical world swimming right beneath those waves. Which ocean creature is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below.
And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more amazing ocean adventures. See you next time, explorers!